Here's a script for your YouTube video. Are you tired of spending countless hours on mundane tasks, only to see your small business's profits dwindle? AI tools have revolutionized the way we work, and in 2026, they're no longer a luxury, but a necessity. In this tutorial, we'll explore the best AI tools for small business owners that actually make money. Let's start with the elephant in the room, automation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can free up hours of your day to focus on high-leverage activities that drive real growth. Take, for example, email marketing. With AI-powered email automation tools like MailChimp, you can create targeted campaigns in minutes, not hours. For instance, let's say you're a fashion brand looking to re-engage your inactive subscribers. You can use MailChimp's AI-powered segmentation feature to identify inactive customers, create a personalized email campaign, and send it to them in just a few clicks. Another essential AI tool for small business owners